2015 Dodge Charger. Hemi. What is it? Hemi. Still got the stock converters there and there. Then we got an X-pipe, factory, 2 1/4. Then 2.5 inch resonator delete or mid muffler delete. That was done earlier in the year, and then they brought it back and we put 2 GLASSPACKS bullets. We'll have the link in the description for them, there and there. We've done a bunch of these in the past, but we never had to do a video on them. So we'll let you guys hear it. You always want to put them in the back, they sound the best. There's the 2 rear mufflers we took out, or resonators. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And the tips come built into the diffuser, so we don't have to do anything on that part. There it is. 2015 Dodge Charger Hemi, 5.7 liter. Got factory converters, like usual. Factory X-pipe. Then what we did, resonator delete or mid muffler, and rear muffler delete, there and there. Let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And it comes with the custom or regular valence, so bumpers come built in. There it is. Came out really nice, really clean. Hope you guys enjoy the sound. 2016 Dodge Charger. Absolutely. It's got a Hemi. Hemi. It's got the stock converters there and there. Then it's got a factory X-pipe. And we put FLOWMASTER FX there and there. And did a rear resonator delete there and there. This is everything that we cut off. We don't like mufflers here and resonators. We have to cut them off. They sound like, you know, crap. There it is. That's what it looks like. RT. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. What do you think? Again? Give a guess. Again. It peaked at 109, bro. That's not bad. Sound decibels. That's loud. And it's smooth. It's not raspy. You see that? That's what we like about those. Throaty, man. Much better. Sound decibels, go ahead. 109 on the sound decibels, bro. That's awesome. Yeah. Hey man, make sure you go sideways, okay? Beautiful. Hemi. That's a decibel meter right there. You want it louder? Yeah. Go ahead again. And it'll still break in. It'll get a little bit louder in about 30 days when that affects that packing packs down more in the FX mode. Those FLOWMASTER FX never disappoint. Dodge Charger. Hemi, Hemi, Hemi. Hopefully it goes beast mode. Hell yeah! Yeah, baby! Beast mode! Hopefully he'll go beast mode. He said he will, so we'll see. Dodge Charger 2015 Hemi. You want those effects?